Good day, everyone. Learn how to check the warranty status of HP product, and I'll tell you the best way to do so. So, I'll mention a website link in the description, but before going to that, please make sure you check right here. So, here we need to select the product, and if you have multiple products, you can do that. So, I'll go with the single product, select the country, and then the serial number. Now, if you do not know the serial number, I would recommend to go to the question mark and see typical locations. As you may find, it is back of the product, rear of the product, under the battery, on the barcode. For laptops, you can press FN and escape. For desktops, you can press Ctrl Alt S. For Chromebooks, you can press Alt V. So you can try that, and do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to find the serial key and serial number, and are you able to check the warranty or the service status. I'll mention this link in the description so that you can check it. Have a wonderful day.